Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the erupts, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Osa-Méjì is accused of being a witch. Story: one night, he dreamed that he was brought before the Council of Divinities, accused of a secret offense. The next morning, he went to an Ifa priest named Asáré Ló Awá Àjọyọ for divination. The priest instructed him to offer a sacrifice consisting of 1 mature ram, 10 cowries, 1 rabbit, and 1 fish to Ifa, so that no one could bring false accusations against him. He performed the sacrifice. Meanwhile, confusion arose among the 16 Olódù of Òrúnmìlà when Òrágún accused Osa-Méjì of being a witch responsible for killing the children of Ìrẹtẹ Méjì. This accusation created such an uproar that the 16 Olódùs convened a council to resolve the matter. They discovered that the children of Ìrẹtẹ Méjì were actually being killed by their own wives. Osa-Méjì emerged victorious, and Òrágún was ordered to apologize to him for bearing false witness.